Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best metal bed frames that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. zionistmichel Compact 9-leg support bed frame. Money-wise, the zionistmichel Compact 9-leg support bed frame is the metal bed frame you should consider. It has virtually everything you want in a bed frame, coupled with the fact that it can be purchased at a very affordable price. This metal bed frame is well designed and easy to assemble. Instead of the standard frame which uses full-length side rails and four-legged folding supports, this one uses a cross member at each end and a center bar with foldable side flaps. Each bar has 3 legs, and the legs bend and bolt rigidly to the frame. All the parts are permanently attached, all you have to do is unfold and assemble them according to the well-thought-out instructions. The 9 legs provide sufficient support for popular activities or leisure. The zionistmichel Compact 9-leg support bed frame requires no tools to be mounted. The legs are designed in a recessed way, which prevents you from hitting your toes on the metal frame every time you make your bed. Also, it should be used with bed springs and a mattress, not a mattress only. With the best home security systems, your home will be always safe from intruders and burglars. At number 4. Zinus Shawn 14-inch SmartBase Mattress Foundation. The Zinus Shawn 14-inch SmartBase mattress foundation is very sturdy, well-constructed, and offers lots of space underneath. This metal bed frame consists of steel frames and wires that are perfectly suited to average weight people. To connect headboards, the use of the Zinus SmartBase bracket is recommended. The SmartBase bracket replaces the box spring usually used. A break from the norm. Light and solid, it is easy to assemble without the use of tools and very easy to move, making it an option of choice for a guest bedroom or an extra bed. 14 inches off the floor, the Zinus Shawn 14-inch SmartBase mattress foundation provides valuable storage space for various accessories. The hard steel mattress base has several contact points with the floor for comfort, which prevents sagging of mattress, increasing mattress lifespan. The Zinus Shawn 14-inch SmartBase mattress foundation is engineered to provide the best possible support and dependability. Sleep like a baby with the best pillow for side sleepers. At number 3. WeeHom Kids Student Single Metal Bed. This sturdy bed frame is the perfect platform to hold your standard twin-size mattress and eliminates the need for a box spring. The steel bed frame features providing solid support for the mattress as well as even body distribution for a restful night's sleep. Strong bed structure, including metal slabs and 6 supporting legs, it is in line with ergonomic design. The stable structure, not easy to shake scratches, no noise, which let you have a good sleep. Flower design will bring a warm and elegant feel to your sweet home. Metal tube with powder coating will avoid rusty for a long period. Twin-size bed frame has great room underneath for storage. It is 12.7 inches off the floor. You can put a storage box under the bed to tidy up your clothes, toys or quilts. Modern design with headboard and foot pedals, no springs required, easy to assemble. The steps to install the product manual, you will find that assembling a bed frame is so simple and fun. At number 2. Linenspa 14-inch folding metal platform. Get the support you need without the inconvenience of a bulky box spring with the Linenspa 14-inch folding platform bed frame. This 14-inch solid steel platform frame creates 13 inches of usable storage space under your bed for all that stuff that doesn't really have a place. With a 750-pound weight capacity, a grid surface design, anti-slip rubberized treads, and a 5-year, this frame is reliable, sturdy, and provides support in all the right places. And if all of that isn't enough, this frame can be set up by a single person in under 5 minutes and with no extra tools. Just unfold it, tighten the leg support bolts with your hand, add a mattress and use it as is or nestle it inside an existing bed set you love. Note, the frame is 1 inch shorter than your mattress on all sides to provide convenience, safety, and ideal support. At number 1. SimLife Metal Bed Frame Solid. The bed frame with 2 headboards by SimLife can provide strong steel support for increased mattress life without the need for a box spring and allows for valuable under-bed storage. Its modern design creates a warm and elegant feel to your sweet home. This sturdy bed frame is the perfect platform to hold your standard twin-size mattress and eliminates the need for a box spring. The steel bed frame features providing solid support for the mattress as well as even body distribution for a restful night's sleep. The metal slats can curve downwards and adjust to fit your body and your sleeping position. The standard height is suitable for a standard size bed skirts. The bed frame benefits from a strong steel frame, steel legs including extra side legs and a middle support beam. Holds up to 280 pounds 130 kilograms. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.